Hello everybody, my name is Divyang Verma and I love playing with my baby sister Ditya, who is 2.5 years old. I also enjoy coding, reading, photography, doing science experiments and playing piano and sometimes playing chess. This is me taking a photograph of a beautiful flower. Technology used. Today I'm going to show you my website. This website is in my local laptop and has not been published to any public server as I speak. The website is only using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Even the animation and the sliders are also created using these languages. My website is showing a concept for a future company. I named it Think Spark. Spark stands for Science, Space, Art, Research, and Knowledge. I've thought of Think Spark since I was 7 years old. One of the technologies I used is HTML. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. I also used CSS. It means Cascading Style Sheets. CSS is used to make your site look good. Another language that I used is JavaScript. I also used XAMPP and Apache for a web server. A web server is required to run the site on any laptop. GitHub is the code repository. I've used GitHub to store the code and take backup. Notepad++ is used to write the code, and Google Docs is used for the books and Google search engine for the research. Finally, I use Microsoft PowerPoint for this slideshow that I'm showing right now. Pages in the website. The pages in my website are Sign In, Sign Up, Home, About Us, Research, Contact, Profile, and COVID-19 latest information and example of API integration. When I say API integration, that means information on the page is coming from some other system which provides the API to access the data. On this page, I've used COVID APIs to show actual COVID-19 infection count. On the right side, you can notice a page template. This template has a header, footer, and a main body. The main body again consists of multiple subsections. This page template is only for the home, research, contact, and about us pages. Other pages have a different template. Page introduction. Sign-in page. The sign-in page is the main login page where users can provide the username and password to log in and access secure content. Sign-up page. If you do not have login on the site, you can register yourself on the site. Home page. The home page is the main landing page. It has 3 sections and one of them talk about the latest happenings in this world. About Us. The About Us page provides information about top talent in ThinkSpark. Profile. This page is mainly for the login users to view their profiles. Research. This is a very interesting page and my favorite. This page has information about science topics. Contact us. Anyone who would like to connect with me can go to the page and either email or call us. COVID-19. This is the page where you can see the latest information on COVID. This page is well integrated with other systems to give you the latest count on COVID cases in the USA. Sample HTML code. This is a very simple HTML sample. It has a start tag, content to be displayed, and an end tag. In my project, we used bold, image, hyperlink, heading, paragraph, script, style, and body tags. Sample CSS code. This is a CSS example. You can notice that I have shown an example of CSS to change the background color of a text to green. Sample JavaScript code. Finally, this is the JavaScript example. This is just to show the alert. Some other things you can do with JavaScript are shapes, if and else statements, and variables. Sample JavaScript API call. This page shows a complex example of JavaScript. Here you can see that I'm calling API from COVID API services. I passed the country code US so that I can only see the US count. Here you can see my count on my site is also matching with the Worldometer's website. This is also called a real-time service call. Next up, showtime. Let me show you my website. This slide has a link to go to the site. Here you go. Login page. This is the login page. If you have an account, you can use it to log in. And if you do not have an account, you can either sign in as a guest or make a free account. XAMPP. Before I show you the site, let me show you XAMPP, which is the interface of Apache web server. Right now, my web server is on. Let me stop it and show you. Now my site is not working as the web server is off. Let me start the server again and show you the site. Did you notice the URL? It says divyang.verma. I have created this in my host entry, my host file for the nice name. Let me show you the file. Let me go back to the site. I will create a free account here, use my new account to log in. Oh no, I entered the wrong username and password. Let me fix it and show you the site. After login, this is the home page. As you can see, it has a header and a footer which are common across all the pages. The page body has 3 sections. The left section talks about the latest news. You can see that the latest COVID-19 news. You can click on these links and read more about the COVID-19 situation. The mid section shows the information about ThinkSpark. This site is more focused on the importance of science, math, and technology. The right section has some generic information. The home page is using the generic page template I spoke about earlier. At the bottom, it has a slider. The slider is developed using all the languages I used. Research page. Let's go to the research page. This is my favorite page. The left section has 3 links to my books. I authored these books and are available on Google Docs. The first one is about quantum mechanics. Let me show you. The second one is also about quantum mechanics, but simpler. And the third one is some of the generic notes I captured on chemistry and other topics. The mid section has information about atoms and the Higgs boson, and the right section has fun facts. Contact us. The contact page is about contact information and the way to reach me. You can see the Gmail is a link. You can click on this link to send the Gmail to me. About us. The COVID-19 page. The last page I wanted to show you is the COVID-19 page. This is another favorite page. This page was integrated with COVID APIs. The latest count is in the left section, is being fetched from Corona APIs. Let me show you the code. Here you can see the JavaScript. Now I'm going to show you the JavaScript code. As you can see, I'm passing the country code as US. If you need to see the data for any other country, I can change it to get the real numbers. And the right section is static text. GitHub. Let me show you my code. This is GitHub. My code is available to the public and can be accessed by anyone who has the URL, which you can see at the top. Thank you. I thank all of these people for making this possible. My parents and Ditya. Thank you so much for your time and have a great day.